Hello guys and welcome to The Computer Kid. For today's video, we'll be unboxing this LG Ultra Slim Portable DVD Writer. Let's see, where's the model? It's the GP60. So the reason I got this was I've been needing to burn discs straight from my PC instead of grabbing an old machine that actually has a CD drive. So I'm just going to be unboxing this, plugging it into my computer and seeing if it works. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so first of all, we have the power adapter. So that's cool. Let's see what else is in here. We have the driver, which is come in the form of a disc because this is a disc drive. Okay, now let's get the actual thing out. So this is the actual writer. Let's pull out the foam sides. There we go. And let's pull this thing out. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this. Okay, so there is a peel on here which I cannot seem to get off. There's a peel on this thing and I can't get it off. Oh wait, oh there we go. See? Oh, that's nice. So this is the actual product. It looks very nice. Look at this. LG Slim Portable DVD Writer. So that's nice. Okay, let's get that down here. Let's pull out the power adapter or USB thing. Let's see. So this is it. Let's remove that twist tie. See? Yeah, so, oh wait, there's one more peel on the front bezel I missed. Oh, that's nice. Make sure there's none left because I missed it last time. Oh wait, there's even more on the sides. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, my monitor just shut off. My monitor just shut off. Wait. Turn it back on. And that is almost everything. So, speed up until I can get this off. Okay. And there you go. That's all the peel off. Extra writer. Now, here, next to my alarm clock. Okay, actually, that's ugly. Let me put it. I'll just put that there. Okay, so let me plug this in and we will see if it works. Okay, I have plugged it in and it has switched position because the cable is so short, so I had to move it a bit closer to my PC. But let's get over to this driver disc. Let's pull this out. It says DS Suite, so NVIDIA Suite, I don't know. Okay, that thing. Let's see. What's inside this thing? This is the driver. Oh, it's so hard to get this thing out. Wow. Oh, there we go. Oh, Media Suite. OEM version. Oh yeah, so this is like some kind of like media, so editing program, I don't know. So I'm gonna put this into the drive and we'll see if it works. So, oh, no. Put that in. Okay, now I will run it on my main computer. Is it gonna pop up? Okay. Let's open the file explorer. I'm gonna blur everything because I do not want you to see my personal data. As you can see, it detects our drive as a DVD or W drive, so that's perfect. So we're gonna hit launch.exe, which I'm guessing is the main program. So let's hit launch. Yeah, let's see. I can hear the thing running. Oh, okay, Cyberlink Corporation. I'm gonna move here so you can see that. We're just gonna hit yes. We'll see if we can boot into some kind of setup. Oh, okay. You can see DVD Media Suite. Install now. Okay, good. Let's just wait for this to load. So, I'm gonna run this setup and I will be back to you when it is done. Okay, we are now done. As you can see, we have Cyberlink Media Suite. So, Just double click on that, see what it pops up. Okay, Starbucks Media Suite 15, okay. Ah! Okay, I want to register. No, I do not want to register in this. Confirm. Oh, okay, this looks old. I don't know why I think this is old, but this looks like an ancient app. Look at this. There's a little green screen behind it, but works. Okay, now let's try something else. I have this random burned Windows 2000 disk, as you can see like this. Okay, detected January 2005. Yeah, it works. So that's all I wanted to show you for today. So I have a few bits of feedback on it. It works great. It's very slim, but it can get really loud and it vibrates a lot, so it might move itself. But if you're willing to buy this thing, it works great. It's only about $30, so if you want it, yeah, it works great. So that's all I want to show you for today's video, and then we'll see you next time.